Hello! In this video we will introduce what's new in the new version of Tesla SCADA 2 we added. In the new version of Tesla SCADA 2 version 65 we added a possibility to use MQTT version 5 for MQTT publisher, and also it's possible to use an MQTT server. So you can choose version 5, not only version 3.1.1. In the version 5 we support aliases, the main feature of the version 5. So when also in the new version we add possibility to create new feature for new binding for the text. Also it's possible to add tag metrics. What it means? For example, if you use the same topic but the properties, some properties are different, and depending on this property or metric, you bind the value from other properties. It's similar like in Spark plug B, but it's not for Spark B, but only for common JSON payload. It's also possible to use indirect values in the topic now, like for example tag descriptions, and it's also possible to use the indirect values in metric name. All the possible indirect names you can see now user manual. Also in the new version of Tesla SCADA 2 we add possibility to use after refresh for trend DB, not only for trend history DB like it was in previous version. And you can see how it looks. For example, the value is changed, and you can see it's also demonstrated in our trend, the real-time value. Also, in the new version of Tesla SCADA 2, we added possibility to work with HTTP GET requests and handle the HTTP GET responses by using script functions. It's similar like we did for HTTP POST requests and POST responses. We create HTTP GET create some request by using this function. We add header for this value, and we get values after executing HTTP GET request. From the value we get some, from the response we get some values. And let's see how it works on the example of working with API for weather by providing Yandex. And you can see we choose Berlin, and depending on this value we send in latitude and longitude. You can see. And depending on these values we've got temperature, wind, pressure, and humidity. That's all. If you have any questions, do not hesitate to ask by email or